Hi children, welcome back to Max class. Do you all remember what we have learned in our previous class? We learned number names. Till where we have learned? We learned number names from 21 to 40, right? So today we will continue to learn number names from 41 to 60. Okay, so what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn number names from 41 to 60. Okay. Number names from 41 to 60. Okay. So, the number name or the spelling of 40 is already you have learned. Right? So first we will write the spelling of 40, 50 and 60. That will be easy for you to write further. Okay. So first we will write the spellings of 40, 50 and 60. Now children, tell me what's the spelling of 40? In previous class we already learned this F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Right? And what is the spelling of 50? See, how will you write 50? 5 followed by 0 is 50. Okay, so 50 is F-I-F-T-Y, 50. And 6 followed by 0 is 60. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. So once more, 4 followed by 0 is 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. 5 followed by 0 is 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 6 followed by 0 is 60. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Okay. So children, which number comes after 40? You have already learned the counting till 100, right? So tell me which number comes after 40? The number after 40 is 41. Very good. And how will you write 41? 4 and 1. Right? 40 and 1 makes 41. And how will you write 40? F-O-R-T-Y, 40 and 1. What is the spelling for 1? You have already learned. What is that? O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1, 41. Which number comes after 41? 42. F-O-R-T-Y, 42. Which number is this? 2. And how will you write 2? T-W-O. 2. 42. Children, listen here. It is F-O-R-T-Y. It is not F-O-U-R-T-Y. Okay. Listen carefully and learn properly. Okay. It is F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Then after 42, 43. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. 3. T-H-R-E-E, 43. 40 and 4 makes what? 44. F-O-R-T-Y, 44. F-O-U-R. Children, it is F-O-R-T-Y, 40 and F-O-U-R, 4. 44. Don't confuse, okay? Have to learn very thoroughly. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Which number is this? 40 and 5 makes 45. And how will you write 5? F-I-V-E, 5. 45. Now tell me which number comes after 45? You all know that. Which is that? 46. After 46, 47. 47, then 48, 49 and 50. Right? So, the number after 45 is 46. 40 and 6 makes 46. 4, 6, 46. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. S-I-X, 6, 46. And after 46, it is 47. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. And what is the spelling for 7? S-E-V-E-N, 47. After 47, 48. How will you write 8? E-I-G-H-T, 48. Then after 48, it is 49. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. N-I-N-E, 49. The number after 49 is 50, and we have already written 50 here. How will you write 55? Followed by 0 is 50. And what is the spelling? F-I-F-T-Y. We have already written that. Okay. So, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. And now tell me which number comes after 50. Which is the number after 50? After 50 it is 51. And already you have learned the spelling of 50. What is it? F-I-F-T-Y. So which is the number after 50? 51. 50 and 1 makes 51. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. O-N-E-1, 51. The number after 51 is 52. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 2, T-W-O, 2, 52. After 52, 53. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 53. After 53, 54. F-I-F-T-Y, 54. How will you write 4? F-O-U-R, 54. And how will you write 55? 50 and 5 makes 55. F-I-F-T-Y, 55. F-I-V-E, 5. 55. So children, which number comes after 55? This number 56. Can you count from 56? You have already learned how to count from 56. How it is? 56, 57, 58, 59 and which number is this? 60. So, this number comes after 55. 56. How will you write 56? 5 followed by 6 is 56. What is the spelling for 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. And what is the spelling for 6? S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. 56. Okay. And which is number after 56? It is 57. 50 and 7 makes 57. F-I-F-T-Y, 57. And how will you write 7? S-E-V-E-N. 7, 57. After 57, 58. F-I-F-T-Y, 58. E-I-G-H-T-8, 58. After 58, 59. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. And which number is this? 9. N-I-N-E, 59. The number after 59 is? Which is the number after 59? 60. 6 followed by 0 is 60. And we have already written the spelling of 60. And what is it? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Okay children, so we have learned the number names from 41 to 60. Okay, so children, That is all for today class. You have to learn it properly. You have to write the notes correctly and neatly. Okay. Thank you children.